Hey ladies, it's Heather here. I want to tell you the importance of masking your skin. Masking your skin should be done at least 1 to 2 times a week, and the reason you want to do this is to give your face a more soft, subtle, smooth feeling. You want to get rid of all the dead skin cells and take all the impurities and toxins out of your face. So what I have on today is the Younique Detoxifying Mask. This is a brand new product that Younique just came out with. It is made with bamboo charcoal, and bamboo charcoal helps soak up the dirt, the oils, the impurities, the toxins in your skin, and it also oxygenates the skin. So once you apply this product onto your skin, you'll feel a little bit of bubbly, tingly feeling, but more of a bubbly, foamy feeling actually. Once you put it on, it does start foaming up on your face, so you will see a raised foam on your face. As it dries, it will get very black like this, and you can look in different spots of my face. I have very large pores. So if you see these little dots, that is where the pores are. And that is basically where the product has really worked its magic and pulled all the yuck out of the product or out of my face. So the great thing also with this is that it does provide benefits of retinol without the sensitivity, and that does have plant extracts that will calm your skin. So those of you that have sensitive skin, don't worry about it. It also will gently exfoliate your skin, and the results are amazing. You will absolutely love it. Now, this jar here sells for $49. I can tell you that so far I've already gotten 8 facials out of it. I've done this on myself 3 times. I've done it on my children. I have 2 teenagers. I've done it on them. I did it on my boyfriend and also another male friend, actually. So I'll be sharing those pictures with you soon. But so far, 8 masks out of this, and I know there's at least 3 or 4 more left in the jar, so you're really going to get your money's worth with this product. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you answer them, and if you have any other skincare problems, please let me know because I'm here to help you out. Thanks for watching.